Welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to learn how to create or edit a case study work. We are going to edit or create a case study work. So without wasting much time, first have to look at the software we are going to use for such work. That is Microsoft Office. I don't have my Microsoft Office on my screen here. It's on my screen here, I don't have it, but it is hidden in my menu. So I have to go to the bottom right corner of my PC and get my menu over there. So I click on it, then I will see a list of programs I have on my machine. I think my Microsoft Office is somewhere down. Microsoft Office is here. So I'll click on it. Then I'll look for, this is Microsoft Office, but I'll look for Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. So this is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. So I'm using the 2010 version of Microsoft Word. And I'll just open it. Just open Microsoft Word. And it is going to start up like this. It's going to open up like this. So that is all about the application I need for this work. Now I'm starting this tutorial. So what I need to do is just open my Microsoft Word. If I have a grandpa or an old work somewhere that I want to copy and paste it here, I'll just do that. If I'm also starting afresh, then I'll start by typing. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use an on-screen keyboard so that you will be able to see the keys I am typing. My on-screen keyboard, I can find it here. On-screen keyboard. And there we go. So everything you are doing on your keyboard, you can see mine here, so that you will be able to follow up what I'm doing over here. Okay, so my on-screen keyboard is here, then I'm going to type here. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to minimize some things so that you guys will see. Sorry for not explaining. This is the menu for Microsoft Word, but because my on-screen keyboard is too big, I want to minimize items over here so that we'll be able to see the work very well. So I'm going to click this one so that my menu will disappear, but I will bring it back when I need it. So I click here, and my menu is gone. Okay, so for my on-screen keyboard, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, that is Ctrl C, then I'll be able to copy, and Ctrl V is going to paste whatever I copy. So first of all, I'm going to open a work that I've already saved, and after that I'll just copy some of the work over there, come and paste it here, and we will continue with the editing. So my work is somewhere here. This is one of my work. Okay. So I'm going to copy bronchial asthma, or asthma suite. Okay, so this is my work. This is my work, and I'm going to copy. So if you want to copy anything, you first have to highlight what you want to copy. So highlighting, I'm going to use my mouse to drag over all what I want to highlight. As I'm dragging over, my finger will still be on the left mouse button as I'm dragging. My finger will be on the left mouse button as I drag, and after I finish dragging to the place I want to end, I'll release my hand, but I won't do anything with the mouse. Then I'll come on my keyboard, click Control, then I add C to it, Control C. It has copied. So let me go back to my old work. And if I go back to my old work, you are going to see that I can now paste it here. So I'm coming to paste it in my new work. Control V, and it has pasted everything here. So Control C will copy, Control V will paste. That is the basic shortcut for our work today. Okay, we also have some places where you will see the text like this, and you will see something like this, and you will also see something like this. This is called a heading, this is a subheading, and this is a paragraph. So the heading is there, the subheading is there, and the paragraph is there. Let me release the menu so that we will understand things very well. This is a subheading, and this is a heading. So for a heading, you can see that it has special characters as uppercase or capital letters in all of it. A subheading, it can contain both capital and small letters, but it has been written in bold ink, and the paragraph is a normal text. So if I want to delete anything here, let's say I want to delete team, this thing I have highlighted, I want to delete it from this work. If I want to delete it, what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to click on it, allow my cursor to blink on where I want to start deleting. Then I'll be clicking on my backspace. This is the symbol for backspace. On your keyboard, you will see a symbol like this. It is called backspace. So as I click on it, look at where the mouse is blinking, and you see that it is taking effect over there. So I'm clicking backspace and it is going. Okay, let's do it one more time. I want to delete this one continuous. I want to delete continuous. So I'll first allow the cursor to blink over there, then I'll click on my backspace on my keyboard. As I click on the backspace, it will continue to delete everything. So in case you have a patient that you want to delete the name and type another name, you just have to use the backspace to delete it. Then after that, you start typing whatever, maybe Madam Mama. Okay, so we will get time to go through all the basic keys on this keyboard, all the basic keys over here, but for now let's learn how to copy and paste and also delete. I'll also come your way with another tutorial on other keys on the keyboard. Stay tuned.